Good day, class. So our next topic is all about the nature of quadratic roots. Objectives: characterize the roots of quadratic equation using discriminant. Okay, so the character or type of roots of any quadratic equation may be recognized by the value b squared minus 4ac, which is known as the discriminant. Okay, so actually, if you can still remember the quadratic equation or the quadratic formula, x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, the radicand, okay, when we say radicand, that is the value inside the radical sign. So the radicand b squared minus, this is called the radicand, okay? So this radicand is what we call the discriminant, okay? Siya yung discriminant formula. And we use the discriminant formula in order to determine the nature of roots of quadratic equations. Of course, if we're going to solve for the discriminant, we can have different values. And the first one, we can have 0. Now, if the discriminant is equal to 0, then the nature of roots, okay, are real, rational, and equal. Okay? If it is positive and perfect square, the nature are real, rational, and unequal. If it is positive but not a perfect square, the nature of roots are real, irrational, and unequal. And if you get a negative value for the discriminant, then the nature of roots is imaginary or complex. Okay? So meaning, you need also to be familiarized with the nature of roots or to memorize this, and also the discriminant formula. Okay? So now, use the discriminant to determine the nature of roots and each to determine the nature of roots of each quadratic equation. So first one, we have x squared plus 7x plus 12 equals 0. In solving for the discriminant, the first thing that you need to do again is to check if the equation is already in standard form. Now, naka-standard form na ba? Okay. Yes. Next, after that, identify the values of A, B, and C. So what is the value of A? Okay, A is 1. How about B? Very good. B is 7 and C is now equal to 12. Then after that, apply the discriminant formula, that is D equals B squared minus 4AC. And then simply substitute the values, okay? So we're going to have here D equals, so B is 7. So that is 7 squared minus 4 times A. A is 1 times C, which is 12. So now, 7 squared, that is equal to 49, right? And then after that, let's multiply this. Negative 4 times 1 times 12. So negative 4 times 1, that is negative 4 times 12. Okay? So negative 4 times 12, that is negative 48. And then 49 minus 48. So our discriminant is equal to 1. Okay? Since our discriminant is equal to 1, this is positive number, right? And also, 1 is a perfect square, meaning the value of our discriminant is positive and perfect square. Therefore, the nature of the roots will be what? Real, okay, rational, and unequal. Okay, that is now the nature of roots because it is positive and a perfect square. So real, rational, and unequal. Okay, next one. So we have now 4x squared minus 12x plus 9 equals 0. Again, check. Is this already in standard form? Okay, yes. Then identify the values of A, B, and C. What is the value of A? A is 4. How about B? That is negative 12, right? And what is the value of C? C is equal to positive 9. Okay? Then after that, we're going again to apply the discriminant formula. So again, the discriminant formula is D equals B squared minus 4AC. Substitute the values. So B squared, we're going to have negative 12 squared minus 4 times A, which is 4, times C, which is 9. So negative 12 squared, negative 12 times negative 12, that is positive 144. And then we're going now to multiply negative 4 times negative 4. Negative 4 times positive 4, that is negative 16. Okay? Negative 16 times 9, that is equal to negative 144. And then combine 144 minus 144, that is equal to 0. Meaning, our discriminant now is equal to 0. So since the value of discriminant is 0, what will be the nature? So the nature of roots, okay, will be what? Real, rational, and equal. Okay? So real, rational, and equal. That's it. Next. So we have 5x squared minus 6x plus 5 equals 0. Again, identify the values of A, B, and C because it is already in standard form, right? So A now is equal to 5, and then B is equal to negative 6, and C, that is now equal to 5. Okay? So now, apply the discriminant formula. So D equals B squared minus 4AC. So what is the value of B? B is negative 6. So we're going to have negative 6 squared minus 4 times A, which is 5, times C, which is 5. So negative 6 squared, that is now equal to positive 36. Okay? And then times, so negative 4 times 5, that is now equal to negative what? Negative 20. So negative 20 times 5, that is negative 100. Okay? And then combine. So D is equal now to 36 minus 100. Different sign, subtract. Tama? So that will be equal to negative 64. Now, what is the value of the discriminant? This is negative. Pag negative, hindi mo naman na kailangan i-check kung perfect square pa siya o hindi. Basta negative na yung discriminant, ano na yung magiging nature? So the nature will be imaginary. Okay, imaginary or complex. Okay. Next. So we have here x squared minus 2x equals 1. So first check, is this already in standard form? Okay, hindi pa. Tama? So what are we going to do? So we need to transpose first positive 1 to other side of the equation. So we're going to have x squared minus 2x. So positive 1, it will become negative 1 equals 0. Now, since naka-standard form na, kunin na natin yung values ni A, B, and C. So A now is 1, B is 1, negative 2, and C is negative 1. Then after that, apply the discriminant formula. So D is equal to B squared minus 4AC. Okay? So what is now the value of B? B is negative 2. So negative 2 squared minus 4 times A1 times C, negative 1. Okay? So negative 2 squared, that is now equal to positive 4. And then we're going to multiply negative 4 times 1. Okay, that is equal to negative 4. And then negative 4 times negative 1, so negative times negative, that is now positive 4. Okay? So 4 plus 4, that is equal to 8. So discriminant is now equal to 8. So our discriminant is what? Positive. But let's check. Is 8 a perfect square? No. Hindi perfect square si 8. So ibig sabihin, positive but not a perfect square. Kaya the nature will be what? It is now real, irrational, and unequal. Okay? Since it is what? Positive but not a perfect square. Okay. Unequal. So this is now the answer. So that's it. Ganito lang natin kinukuha yung discriminant and yung nature ng roots. Okay? Bye.